Yo, bigger.
Subscribe to Chinaman YouTube channel. And you don't know the Chinaman in the veteran, in the original Portland veteran, you know. So just subscribe and like the Chinaman YouTube channel, you know. You hear me talk? I'm out.
Man. Now this is the new tin bamboo. It look amazing. Tin bamboo. The new tin bamboo to me, Jano, this place look amazing. Yeah man, a veteran TV, you know, to the world. Like and share and subscribe to this channel. Veteran TV to the world. Just the entrance me have shown. Yeah man, this is the new tin bamboo entrance. I'm now going on far. Yeah. Hello, good morning. Beautiful place. Yeah man. Tin bamboo, I look a garden on the right side entering. Yes, where you see me, General?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah man, tin bamboo to the world. Yeah man, at the whole compound, you know. Yeah man. And then play a little tennis there some more time. Yeah, so if there's a man who love tennis, you book a room, you have everything to your own comfort. The new tin bamboo to the world. Veteran TV coming to you live from Port Antonio on a Monday morning. Give thanks unto Jah. You know Almighty God will say from long time. Yeah man, thing look good. Security, good morning. Wagwan. A Portland blogger, you know what then little sit here me a deal with them, you know. Just a little interview me a give you. Cause I just book you. At the whole hotel me have, you know anything me put up, me have a portion to people a seat. So what go on for you today?
Well, I am looking out doing some business, speaking with some of my workers. But this hotel is one of the most popular hotels in all of Portland.
Right.
You may have mistaken me for the security, but I am this beautiful location, this hotel. We are very popular, notwithstanding the pandemic that we are facing at this point. We still have guests coming in locally and internationally. So the pandemic has affected us, but has not closed us down. Our doors remain opening even throughout these difficult times. So there's no question about it.
Yes.
We are not complaining. We are able to hold our own in the midst of crises. This is as a result of the kind of things that we have been doing over the years. We are steep in a number of things, not just having accommodation, but as far as it relates to our cuisine, we produce some of the best local and international cuisines that you can find anywhere in Portland. It therefore means this is one of the things that people have come to Hotel Tin Bamboo for, our local and international cuisine.
That's Hotel Tin Bamboo. And so tell me something, sir. And what is your name?
My name is Thomas Panton, Panton. Thomas Panton.
Mr. Panton. You're related to Maxi Panton?
No, but I knew the gentleman well.
That's good. Yeah, I think enough people know. That's nice. Yeah, man, Mr. Panton, nice reason.
All right.
Yeah, man, I'm
okay.
Chinaman.
Chinaman.
Yeah, the veteran.
The veteran.
And right now you're on Veteran TV.
Yes.
So Veteran TV to the world. Like and share and subscribe. Talk to you a little more because we don't do later thing. You see me?